Welcome to another product introduction from Balluff. Today, Balluff adds to its power supplies portfolio with our next generation IP67 power supplies. 4 new devices expand the product family and deliver increased amp output, energy efficiency, and intelligent diagnostic options. Available in single and 3-phase devices, they provide up to 15 amps or 25 amps output current, respectively, and up to 40 amps of total power in boost mode, used for short power bumps, for example for startup currents. Their IP67 rated potting-free housing allows for decentralized installation directly in the field with no need for a cabinet. This allows you to save space and costs by reducing planning, logistics, cables, and installation. Designed for our next networking generation, they pump up the power supply portfolio with higher powered options and are the perfect counterpart to Balluff IO-Link Masters. Built-in IO-Link enables remote parameterization and monitoring of the status of the device and its outputs, and automatically regulates down in case of an overload or overheating. Each power supply offers 2 outputs with 4 integrated electronic fuses with separate UA and US voltage supply. This also protects the system. If one of the 4 channels should trip, the other 3 circuits can still provide power, preventing a failure of the entire system. Installation is flexible with 7/8 inch or M12 options. Field power supplies are used in a wide range of applications and industries, notably in automotive, ADT, assembly, robotics, automation, and logistics, as modern production concepts increasingly need their greater flexibility. As companies recognize the benefits of the zero-cabinet approach, decentralized power supplies are not only being used on individual applications, but are being installed across entire production plants. The decentralized power supply concept is particularly suitable for large systems, such as those in the logistics industry, material handling, cell and battery manufacturing, and for conveyor lines. For more information on Balluff power supplies, visit balluff.com.